In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a business account on TikTok. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business looking to expand your digital presence, TikTok is an invaluable platform to engage with your audience in a creative way. We'll guide you through each step of the process to make it as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll need to have the TikTok app on your device. You can easily download and install it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device type. Once installed, open the app. If you're new to TikTok, you'll need to sign up using your email, phone number, or one of your existing social media accounts. If you're not new, just log into your existing personal account. Don't worry if you don't have a business account yet, you can switch to one later. After you've logged in, locate the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and you'll find yourself at your profile page. Here, look for the three-line menu, often referred to as a hamburger menu, at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this menu to access your profile settings. Now navigate to the Settings and Privacy section. Once you're there, tap on Account and then select the option Switch to Business Account. TikTok will guide you through the process of transforming your profile into a business one. This step is crucial for tapping into the business tools TikTok provides, like access to analytics and advertising options. After switching, you'll be asked to select a business category that best represents what you do. Categories range from retail and services to technology and beyond. Choosing the most relevant category helps TikTok tailor content and features to better suit your business needs. Now that your business account is set up, take the time to complete your profile with all relevant information. Adding a business email, phone number, and a brief bio can significantly enhance your credibility on the platform. This information signals to your audience and TikTok that you're a verified and trustworthy business. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended to register your business within TikTok. This adds another layer of authenticity to your presence on the app. By doing so, you may unlock additional features that are exclusive to verified businesses, helping you leverage TikTok more effectively. And there you have it. Your TikTok business account is set up and ready for action. Dive into the platform, create engaging videos, and connect with your audience in ways that are sure to enrich your business. Thanks for tuning in and explore the creative opportunities TikTok has to offer.